Alright, we are at the Glenrose Rehabilitation Hospital in Edmonton Alberta. It's Wednesday, August the 7th. And what's going on? The barricades on this elevator, and according to this note, this thing will be out of commission as of tonight. And that, let's take one last final ride on this whole Vintage Otis Hydraulic Elevator 6, as this will be sadly out of commission after the day. And that, let's take one last final ride on this original beauty. Here we go. And it's here, the original cab, which is slated to go bye-bye. So we're going to go to 3. Let's see what it's like up there. Your indicator, which is going to go in your old COP, which is going to go. Here we are in 3. We're complete. See the barricade gone, and see the new entrance is over there, and your old call station, which is about to go bye-bye. Alright, let's go down to 2, see what's going on there. Here we are at 2. See, the same thing, new entrance there, and your old call station, which is about to go bye-bye. Right. Let's go down to the lower level. Here we are at the lower level. Let's send this up. Here's a more one last time. There you go. That's the sound of the machine of the original elevator, which is about to go bye-bye. Got one last listen to it. Now let's call it back. Let's see, look at that. New entrance put in. And the barricades removed, just a yellow gate. And your old indicator, which is about to go bye-bye. And your old call station, that's about to be removed. See? Let's go back to G. After tonight, this once again, and we're going to miss these old beauties. Again, this is one last ride on it. Here we are at G. See, the same thing at the station. Actually, let's go one more right after 3 to make it. Fine. A good one last ride. This is about, as after today, this thing will be sadly decommissioned. Here we are at 3. Go back down there out. Just about to be out of commission. I'm so glad I came when I did. Now I get to do one last ride on this before this goes bye-bye. We are at the lower level. Time to go at the G and end it up there. The last ride on the original passenger type Vintage Otis Elevator, as it's about to get, as they are getting on. See? Let's watch it close up. into and see if you would the new one. This is the modernization is all done. That means for this one, this will be is about to go bye-bye and going to this side. It would be out of commission as of tonight. And I'm so glad I got my eye on it. And this call station will be about to be taken out. Other than that, rest in peace to the Vintage Otis Hydraulic Elevator, passenger type elevator. It would be missed by what of elevator enthusiasts. Other than that, next week I'll be back and might take a ride on the newly modernized elevator. Other than that, one last time, rest in peace to the Vintage Otis Passenger type hydraulic elevator. Elevator 6. Rest in peace. It would be missed. Other than that, that would be it.